I got mascot. I got mascot. And it's alright.
Oh, right guys, I'm putting carpet. I'm putting carpet in the boat, and I just thought I'd show you how I'm doing it. This is by no means a how-to. For God's sakes, don't copy me, you'll burn your boat down. You'll see why in a minute. What it is I just want something quick, easy, temporary carpet that I can put down almost as mats. So it's shaped, it goes down in 4 bits, 5 bits, and the idea is that it can be rolled up, put away when it's pouring down with rain and I'm getting in and out and all the rest. We're in the summer, and then in the winter I can just roll it out and it fits. Also I can get into the bilges and just pick the carpet up. So it's basically cut into pieces this big. As you can see, it's a bit flimsy. Now the problem with them is I don't know if you can see that, but the frayed edges, real. I know you can get professional mats made and they'll put beading all around the edges, or you buy the cheapest carpet you can find that melts, and you melt it, which is what I'm doing. So you get yourself a little caramelizer, flame, and you just run it, and I'm running it over the back more than the front because I don't want to, I want to melt the back to the front, not the other way around, otherwise you get a white line. And all I'm doing is melting the edges all the way down. Careful how you touch it. And all that's doing, it's going to stop it from fraying. I made some paper patterns. I made them about 18 months ago. In the colder weather, at 3 in the morning, when you're getting up for a wee, it's just going to be a bit warmer underfoot. I'm not going all the way around it, bore you to tears. Make sure I don't fall over them. But as you can see now, a bit crispy, but it's not going to fray. It doesn't look messy. It's a nice clean, there's a bit I've got to do again, nice clean edge, and it's only for a few months in the winter, and then it'll get picked up again anyway. So yeah, so I'll get it all laid down and then I'll show you around and show you how it looks. Okay, so I'm laid on the floor, but I'm doing this to show you the carpet, so once I move you'll see it. Not bad, eh? Looks good all the way through, actually. A couple of little mistakes in it. And the best bit about this is it's not stuck down, it just sits. So you can lift it up and get into the bilge, etc. whenever you want. So that's there's where the mistake is. Look, it's just lifting a little bit there. Well, I've got enough carpet to do it all again, so that'll do for now. Nice and warm underfoot. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying what you see, and for more up-to-date stuff check us out on Facebook.